Hi guys, this is Vandana Asrani here. I belong to Film India Publications. I have a blog by the name of filmyfilmindia.wordpress.com. I do reviews of films, Hindi films, English films and web series. In this context, today I'll be reviewing a web series, a Gujarati web series from the latest Gujarati OTT, which is launched just today by the name of Oho. On this platform, the first web series is called Vittal TD. I'll be reviewing the first and the second episode of this series, subsequently followed by other episodes. There are a total of 6 episodes. The series is directed by Abhishek Jain under the production house of Cineman. The first episode shows a story of a 10-year-old boy that belongs to a small village in Gujarat. He belongs to the family of Brahmins. His father is a priest and he has lost his mother. He is living with his father and his elder sister, and his elder brother is living with his uncle in town. Vittal is a very intelligent and a calm boy, because due to his simple nature, he is always being teased around by his friends. One day, but he is a master in the game of cards, which he has inherited from his father, who is also a master in the game of cards. One day in the school, when teacher asks him that what is number 3 called, then he answers that 3 represents TD. On this answer, all of his classmates, they laugh at him, and that way he gets the name as Vittal TD, because TD is a word which is used in the card games of card. It belongs to 3 of hearts. So from there on, the first episode shows how Vittal gets his nickname, and also how he is smart than any of the other classmates. In the second episode, it is shown that Vittal has grown up, and this character is played by Pratik Gandhi. He continues to play the game of cards, and he bets along with his friends, but this only he does as a hobby. And he is shown he is a very patient guy, and always most of the times he wins in the game. He has been invited to play in the next village among professionals too. Vittal is a very simple boy, and he has fallen in love with his sister's friend, but unfortunately is not able to express his feelings. One fine day, that girl is being engaged to somebody else. Vittal is heartbroken, but he doesn't lose his faith. He continues with his work with his father in the temple and the fields, and also plays the game of card as a hobby. He do get bored sometimes because of the routine work, but then he doesn't do. One fine day, he gets a letter from somebody, which will prove as a game changer in this episode. That's what is shown in the second episode. Pratik Gandhi as Vittal has done an excellent job. His portrayal of his character as simple village man is very, very beautifully shown. So as the episodes go on, I will be reviewing other episodes also. Do stay tuned in to my videos. Thank you.